DIY outdoor stencil paver idea.
This was a fun and very easy project.
Today's project is in our Catio home.
The existing pavers got a good scrub. Acrylic paints, chalk paints, and water-based polyurethane were used.
Stencil spray adhesive was applied to the back of each stencil. This helps to keep it in place.
The base paint was applied with a roller brush and stencil brushes. In the end though, I only used the roller brush once. It was just too large and awkward. I quickly discovered that it was easy to layer colors by reusing the same stencil. It was just as easy to play around with the orange and lime accent colors too. Changing your mind about colors was a snap, so don't worry if you feel you put down the wrong color.
It's a good idea to clean the stencils immediately, rinsing with water and then soap and water after you finish.
That's an excellent point.
Sabrina has noticed paper towels on the back of the stencils. This is so they won't stick together.
Our final paver was much larger than the originals, so I just repeated this very simple pattern. I'll post a link to the items used today in the description below. Water-based polyurethane will protect and seal the stencil work. It goes on wet, but dries crystal clear.
And now see the reveal.
We invite you to check out our YouTube channel for Catio design ideas and other cat projects. Meow for now.